वेलकम टू माई चैनल वेलनेस डाइट। क्यों ना आज कुछ सिंपल और टेस्टी रेसिपी बनाएं जो कि है चॉकलेट फज। सो वॉच अलोंग।
Finely chop half a cup of dark chocolate. In a saucepan, add some butter. Once the butter is melted, add in your dark chocolate. Once your chocolate is melted, add in 200 grams of condensed milk. Now mix your condensed milk well with your melted chocolate. Now add in your favorite nuts. I used cashews, pumpkin seeds, dried berries, some almonds, and some raisins. Now once your nuts are completely combined and your mixture becomes super thick, transfer it into a shallow dish lined with parchment paper. Now put this in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours or until it's completely set. Once it sets completely, dust it with some cocoa powder and cut into little pieces. Now the super easy chocolate indulgent dessert is ready. Make sure you try it out